Makenna.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome to the Cousins channel.
So in this video, we're going to be creating some slime, green slime, right? Yanni?
Yes, green slime.
Okay, green slime, and we'll tell you what we're using. We're using.
Wait, hold up. This is our friend Makenna.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. This is our special guest, Makenna. She's our friend.
Hi.
And so this is going to be Arm & Hammer, how to make slime with baking soda and glue. So, Johnny, first we need a 4 to 6 ounce bottle of white
that's a
liquid.
That's a whole thing.
Okay, so we're putting that in. Okay.
Oh wow. So what's this satisfying?
Yeah.
Now we have a teaspoon of baking soda. Am I
Put this in the
correct?
middle of the screen. There we go.
Yeah.
If we're
Okay.
correct, we do need
Alright,
a
put
teaspoon
the
of
lid back on.
Okay,
all
we
the
need.
stuff. We need all of it.
Ooh, that'd be cool if we just kept it clear the whole time instead of putting that in. Okay. Half teaspoon of Arm & Hammer baking soda.
It's still going.
Let's get a. Oh wait.
What just started?
Yeah, teaspoon.
Oh,
So I guess we'll just have this. So, is it gonna focus?
you really need to put it in.
Focus. Okay. Oh, you can't see it. Half
Okay, it's
teaspoon.
a half teaspoon. Oh, now it's not.
I know this is a whole teaspoon, but we'll do half of it.
Okay, there.
Okay. Baking soda. Just try to get half of it.
That's
Just about half.
No.
Let's pour it in. That's good amount.
It's good.
Just leave it. Go. There we go.
And then we mix it, right?
Yeah, so
How are we gonna stir it?
With this.
go get
Go get a spoon. You forgot some.
Oops.
Okay.
We made a mistake.
Okay.
We just forgot one
Spoon.
this way. And then you go.
And we have to restart the video.
No, we
No, we
don't.
don't.
Guys, we're not
I know.
restarting the video. Okay, next is one and a
This video
half
is just gonna be
1.5 tablespoon of buffered or multi-purpose
Can I
contact lens solution.
You're doing
Maybe
everything.
this.
You can do it, Luke.
So
I'll do the
okay.
next one.
McKenna, do that. You okay.
No. You get to do contacts.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, I'm
One
really
and a
good with
half.
contacts. All this stuff is brand new.
What's
contacts? And we'll show you if it doesn't work or not.
Okay. Yeah, we will tell you at the end if this recipe works or not.
Yeah.
Maybe does this have
You
like
have. You guys have to tell me when to stop.
Maybe stop what?
For the contact solution.
Okay, that's not coming off. Just try it. 1.5 tablespoon. Okay, so just pour it till it reaches the top.
That's 1/2 teaspoon.
This one's 1. Just squeeze it super hard.
Who's dumping it? Who's dumping? I'll do it.
Oh, hold on. Luke, let go. You're making it shake.
Yeah, let go. Who's dumping? Luke wants to dump.
Luke will dump. I'll give it to him.
Is it to stop yet?
No, all the way to the
all
top.
the way to the top.
And it's okay if you get a little bit extra.
Six.
Oh yeah, it must be.
This one already did.
Can I do it?
Hold on, Luke.
Mike, I wanted to pour
It's
it.
at the top.
It is at the top.
Okay, that's
Okay,
good enough.
that's good.
Luke, pour it.
Let's just. I
There
bet
it
this
is.
is
Actually,
3 teaspoons equals a tablespoon.
you stirred
We know
last time.
I'm just gonna be stirring
How
the.
about McKenna?
Guys. Okay, I'll do the second one. And we also need a half.
Okay.
I'll just do this one.
Oh, you're fast.
I know.
I would be.
Okay,
Oh, it's
okay,
already
oh,
starting
wow.
to feel slimy. Can I try?
Okay.
Look, you try. McKenna, do you want to play with it?
Oh wow. Okay, that's all we need. So it should be.
No,
Hold on. Just mix it a little bit more.
I'll mix it.
No,
I wanna feel
we
it.
are doing without food coloring first.
I'm gonna feel that
Wait,
one.
hold on,
Guys,
guys.
wait for
Listen.
me.
Oh, never mind. You ruined it.
No, we didn't.
I was trying to do it clear first to see if it looked cool.
It did. But I want this.
It's like going to.
Ew, it looks like
Boogers.
boogers.
Feel
Yeah,
it.
Yeah, I need more green though. No, it doesn't. We got any in.
Johnny, you're yelling on YouTube.
I don't care. It worked actually really good. Yeah, you just need to mix it. No,
Let somebody else have a turn mixing.
Okay, Luke. Can I try mixing with it? McKenna, do you want to play with it to activate it? Here, you can stir actually. McKenna didn't start yet, Jonathan.
Okay,
I was
start.
talking to McKenna. He wants to activate it.
I'll
I will.
activate it.
I will.
Okay, I'll let Luke do
How
it.
do you activate?
No, activate
It's
is
not
when
really
you play
activate,
with
it's just
it.
playing with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, what
Everybody
about- do
gets
you
a
have
try.
enough green on there?
Oh wait, hold on! Before you touch it, wash your hands. That way you don't get
Yeah.
all dirty.
Yeah. That way you
Wash
don't
your hands.
put bacteria and germs in there.
There's like
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
awkward. Awkward sound of water in the background.
You're not.
Guys, I'm not doing
Okay,
this
okay, I
one.
have an idea, guys. How about this? We'll make a
It's
second
so
video
cool.
of us playing with slime.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, we'll make a second
like
video of us playing with
each everybody has.
Okay, show the video what it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh,
Looks like
yeah, look, you're gonna get it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Booger.
So,
Boogers.
we'll stop the video here and then we'll make a
I
second
actually
video
did
of
get
what
a
it looks
booger
like
on
while we're
my
playing.
finger.
Okay,
Bye.
everybody say